Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best vacuum storage bags on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Spacesaver Vacuum Storage Bags. For anyone looking for a great way to store their things without taking up too much space, the Spacesaver Vacuum Storage Bags are an excellent choice. These storage bags are remarkably strong and durable, meaning they won't puncture easily. They can hold up to 2 pillows or an entire queen-size bedding set per bag, allowing you to stow away your bulkiest off-season items. They come complete with a double zip seal and triple seal turbo valve designed to keep air out during the suction process, keeping your belongings safe and protected. Additionally, these vacuum bags come with a free hand pump, so you don't have to worry about buying one separately. What we like about it: highly durable and puncture resistant. Replaceable bags last a long time, water, air, and moth-proof. What we don't like about it: become heavy when packed. Number 2. Cozy Essential Vacuum Storage Bags. The Cozy Essentials Vacuum Storage Bags are great for both home organization and travel packing. Boasting a triple seal turbo valve and a double zip seal design, these vacuum bags provide durable protection and ensure that air stays out to keep your items safe and secure. The bags are made of a strong material that will protect your belongings during the suction process, and you can use them repeatedly. The package also includes a hand pump to efficiently suck away the air to create a vacuum seal that will keep your items fresh and protected for an extended period. With these storage bags, you don't need to worry about lugging around bulky items as you travel because you can simply pack them up in vacuum-sealed bags. What we like about it: hand pump for convenient vacuuming, durable, thick plastic material, zipper closure for a great seal. What we don't like about it: no labels for size on the bags. Number 3. Suco Vacuum Storage Bags. If you're looking for a way to get organized while conserving space, then Suco Vacuum Storage Bags are sure to fit the bill. With the ability to store a large number of items without taking up any extra space, these bags provide an ideal way to keep your home clutter-free. The durable, flexible, and reusable polyamide polyethylene pipette material prevents air leakage, ensuring your items are secure and protected for longer. The package also includes a hand pump, or you can connect it to a standard vacuum cleaner hose for faster results. The double zip and triple valve designs create an airtight seal to protect your items for months. What we like about it: 5-layer construction lasts longer, waterproof for optimal protection, zipper seal for added safety. What we don't like about it: don't hold suction for long. Number 4. AirBaker Vacuum Storage Bags. In a world where storage space is a precious commodity, the AirBaker Vacuum Storage Bags have emerged as a game changer. These innovative storage solutions have caught the attention of countless homeowners, travelers, and decluttering enthusiasts. In this review, we'll delve into the pros and cons of the AirBaker Vacuum Storage Bags 12-pack, highlighting their effectiveness, versatility, and overall value. AirBaker Vacuum Storage Bags are designed to maximize your storage space, making them ideal for small apartments, closets, and luggage. What we like about it: travel-friendly and durability, easy to use. What we don't like about it: initial learning curve. Number 5. High Bag Vacuum Storage Bags. The High Bag Vacuum Storage Bags are an ideal solution for anyone looking to free up some extra space in their home. Made from high-quality materials, these bags boast robust double-zip protection and a unique design that makes them easy to open and close. They also stand out with 80 more space-saving capacity than other storage bags on the market. What we like about it: thick bags keep items tightly sealed. Includes an easy-to-use hand pump, multi-layer construction for protection. What we don't like about it: some bags may leak air. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.